Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change device name on your HP 255. To do that, we're gonna have to open the Start menu, go to Settings, then here on the home page of the settings, you're gonna have to click Rename under the current name of your laptop and enter the new name. The new name cannot contain any kind of space bars or special signs or special characters. We can only use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. So the example of such a name would be something like this. Click Next to apply changes. And then for the changes to be applied, we're going to have to restart the computer. We don't have to do it now. You can finish your job and click Restart later, and then restart your computer at any moment. But let's restart the computer now to see the changes. Well, let's wait. Okay, so the laptop is restarted. Now let's unlock it. And let's go back to settings. Start menu, settings. And here on the home page, we have the new name of our laptop. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.